Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello and welcome. In this video, I will explain how to play Nightmare in IDV. Nightmare is a formidable hunter, excelling in swift movement and maintaining map control. His unique abilities allow for rapid traversal across the map and constant pressure on survivors. Mastering his core mechanics is absolutely crucial for effective and impactful gameplay, ensuring you can dominate every match. We will cover everything you need to know to become a top-tier Nightmare player. Nightmare's primary abilities are Corvus and Dread. Corvus enables you to dash forward, covering significant ground and damaging any survivors caught in your path. Dread, on the other hand, creates a fear zone that significantly slows down survivors and reveals their exact location. These two abilities work in tandem, providing a powerful combination for both relentless pursuit and maintaining a strong presence across the entire map, making you a constant threat. For strategic map control, utilize Corvus to rapidly traverse the map, catching survivors off guard and initiating chases. Place Dread strategically at active ciphers or exit gates to effectively deny survivor progress and force them to relocate. Maintaining constant map pressure is key. Continuously rotate between decoding machines and interrupt survivors whenever possible. Always prioritize patrolling high-traffic areas to keep survivors on the defensive and prevent them from completing their objectives. For advanced tactics, try combining Corvus with a normal attack for a devastating burst of damage, often securing a quick down. When selecting persona perks, consider Confined Space to prevent window vaults during chases, or Detention for a powerful late-game advantage. Practice timing Dread's placement precisely, especially when survivors are grouped, to maximize its slowing and revealing effects. Mastering these advanced techniques will significantly elevate your Nightmare gameplay, turning you into an unstoppable force.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.